Hi guys, today we have another unboxing video. This is something which I wanted to buy for a very long time. I think the package is self-explanatory, so it's um, electronic screw bit, like a screwdriver. And this particular model is from Xiaomi. So it's Xiaomi. I don't know if you can see that. Mijia electric precision screwdriver magnetic kit with 24 different screw heads. So it explains a bit more. You've got PH, I don't know if you can see that. You've got the PH000, PH00, PH0, PH1, SL15, SL2.0, P2, P5, T2, T3, T4, T5H, T6H, T8H, T8, T89, TH, and all the other bits. Anyway, pause it, I'm not going to read all of them. So I think these are predominantly the ones you're going to use for all the small, tiny electrical equipment. So I bought this from AliExpress, and it's something which I've wanted for such a long time. Just curious about the quality of the item. So let me quickly jump into it before my camera started overheating again. So in the box we have, the first thing that came out is a USB-C to USB-A cable. Quite short, so obviously you need to charge it. The actual driver. So let's go and pull it out like that. Oh, that's all. It's in a box, a bit of a guide, manual. It's all in Chinese. Yeah, okay, my camera just overheated again. Oh, your iPod needs to cool down. What? No, it doesn't. That's rubbish. My iPod doesn't need to cool down. So it's difficult for me to explain anything with this manual. It's in Chinese. So I'll pull this one out now. Good packaging. Enjoy work. Okay. So good packaging, I'll have to say. So I suspect you push from one end and it comes from the other. Enjoy work. Okay, yeah. Okay. 3D printed, obviously. Oh, right. So it can kind of lock in, so it doesn't slide out. Okay, which is actually quite good. It's nice, like some kind of aluminium. It explains the battery, how long it lasts, I believe. So it needs 5 volts at 0.14 amps, and the battery itself is 3.7 volts at 350 milliamp hours. Okay, so let's have a look now. So this is quite nice. You've got the explanation on the top with small signs, and all the bits are engraved, so it's not like a paint to them. They are engraved, so it's not gonna scrape off. So this is the actual pen, so to say, or the screwdriver. Let's see. So on the top, I believe you switch it on. So it's 2 different torque settings. From what I can work out, left is torque setting number 1, and there's battery in it, and the number 2 is 2 torque settings. More power for illustration purposes. Oh, so each slot on there, if you can see these bits are not falling out, each slot actually has a magnet, so it stays on. It's actually quite nice. It's a good touch, I'll be honest. Yeah, the magnet is strong with this, so just hold it just right. Yeah, that's good. That's nice. I like it. So that's number 2. Number 1. It's a bit slower. I suspect they're the same speed, but yeah, they seem the same speed, but one has I suspect one has just more torque. So when you're dealing with more difficult screws to screw, either these, you can hold it like that, or yeah, it's actually quite handy. You got all the small little bits in there. I don't know if you can see that. So when you don't need it, put it away. I'm just curious. Let me just test quickly the magnets. Let me just take some other screws from my drawer. See if I can pick them up. So that is a nut. No, obviously it won't do with a nut, but let me see a screw bit. Okay, so this is a bit interesting. So I expected this to be magnetic as well. Why is it not magnetic? No, it's not magnetic. Okay, so that's a bit of a downfall. Or maybe because it's not on? Maybe? No? Oh, it's not magnetic. That is such a waste. No, definitely not magnetic. So, okay. So these are the downfall. I believe I paid slightly under £20 for this. I'm definitely going to have use for it because all the bits are quite long. It's something I need, to be fair, for my 3D printing. The case is nice. My negative thought about this item would be it's not magnetic. It's a bit of a shortfall on it, but in general, everything else is quite nice. The build is quite nice. The case is quite nice. It's a lot of screwdriver for the money. Yeah, I think I'll recommend it. I wish it was magnetic, but even without being magnetic, generally good quality for 20 quid, to be fair. I don't actually know how they make these things so cheap, to be fair. So yeah, so anyway, that's it with the video. Again, this is a non-sponsored video. This is something I bought myself. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It's only going to allow me to obviously invest into producing more of these videos. And for now, all I'm going to say is take care and have a good night. Bye.